The emergence of the first warm-blooded dinosaurs likely occurred approximately 180 million years ago. Greetings, everyone! Today's video focuses on an intriguing study that proposes the possibility of certain dinosaurs being warm-blooded creatures capable of producing their own body heat approximately 180 million years ago. The findings, which have been published in Current Biology, suggest that both theropods and ornithischians developed endothermy during the early Jurassic era, enabling them to thrive in colder regions. In contrast, sauropods preferred warmer climates. This evolutionary adaptation may have been influenced by environmental shifts, including the Jenkins event, which caused global warming and the extinction of certain plant species. Without further delay, let us dive into our discussion. During the early 1900s, dinosaurs were commonly perceived as sluggish creatures, similar to present-day reptiles, that relied on solar heat to maintain their body temperature. However, recent findings suggest that certain species of dinosaurs may have possessed the ability to produce their own internal warmth. The exact time frame of when this evolutionary adaptation took place remains uncertain. In a recent publication in the journal Current Biology, researchers conducted a comprehensive study on the migration patterns of dinosaurs during the Mesozoic era, a period spanning from 230 to 66 million years ago, by analyzing 1,000 fossils, climate models, geographical data, and the evolutionary lineage of dinosaurs. During the early Jurassic period, the research team made an intriguing discovery regarding the migration patterns of dinosaurs. They observed that 2 out of the 3 primary groups, namely theropods, such as the renowned T-Rex and Velociraptor, and ornithischians, including relatives of the well-known herbivores Stegosaurus and Triceratops, migrated to colder regions. This migration suggests that these dinosaurs may have developed endothermy, the ability to internally generate heat during this time. On the other hand, sauropods, which belong to the remaining main group and include the famous Brontosaurus and Diplodocus, preferred to inhabit warmer climates. Previous studies have identified specific characteristics associated with warm-bloodedness in both ornithischians and theropods, including evidence of feathers or protofeathers that serve to insulate their internal heat. According to Dr. Alfio Alessandro Chiarenza from UCL Earth Sciences, their research reveals that various dinosaur groups developed distinct climate preferences during the Jenkins event approximately 183 million years ago. This event, characterized by intense volcanic activity and subsequent global warming, also resulted in the extinction of certain plant groups. During this period, a multitude of novel dinosaur lineages made their appearance. The emergence of endothermy, potentially triggered by the prevailing environmental crisis, likely facilitated the flourishing of theropods and ornithischians in colder habitats. This adaptation granted them the ability to remain remarkably active for extended durations, accelerate their development and growth, and enhance their reproductive output. According to Dr. Sara Varela from the Universidade de Vigo in Spain, our study indicates that the unique temperature regulation found in birds may have originated during the early Jurassic epoch, which also includes theropods. During this period, sauropods, unlike other dinosaurs, inhabited warmer regions and experienced a significant increase in size, potentially as a response to environmental challenges. Their massive bodies, with a lower surface area to volume ratio, facilitated a slower heat loss, enabling them to remain active for extended periods. The researchers delved into the possibility that sauropods opted for lower latitudes in order to consume more nutritious foliage that was not present in colder polar regions. However, their findings indicate that sauropods flourished in dry, savanna-like environments, suggesting that their preference for warmer climates was primarily influenced by higher temperatures and their cold-blooded physiology. It is worth noting that during that era, polar regions experienced warmer temperatures and boasted plentiful vegetation. Following the eruption of lava and volcanic gases from extensive fissures on the Earth's surface, the Jenkins event unfolded, resulting in the widespread coverage of vast regions across the planet. Dr. Juan L. Cantalapiedra a co-author from the Museo Nacional de Ciencias Naturales in Madrid, Spain, expressed that this study indicates a strong correlation between climate and the evolutionary development of dinosaurs. The findings provide fresh insights into the potential inheritance of distinct biological characteristics by birds from their dinosaur predecessors, as well as the various methods through which dinosaurs adapted to intricate and enduring shifts in their environment. The research project brought together scholars from UCL, University of Vigo, University of Bristol, and Museo Nacional de Ciencias Naturales in Madrid. Funding for the study was generously provided by the European Research Council, the Spanish Ministry of Research, the Natural Environment Research Council, and the Royal Society. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.